Hi, this is Kelsey Brown with StorySaving, and today I want to show you a little bit about QuickPages and how to use them in your scrapbooking. First off, this QuickPage that I've chosen to use today is from the Daily Digi Members Exclusive Kit, My Life at Play. I really like this one, and I think it would go great with my Easter photos from a couple years ago. I've already opened up my QuickPage file and my photos so we can just get started. My QuickPage file is a PNG formatted file, and that is so that the file can have these transparent areas. You'll notice anywhere that there's transparency in Photoshop, there is this checkerboard format that shows that there's no background there. So first thing I'm going to do to start my QuickPage is I'm going to take my first photo and I'm going to drag it up onto my page. I want this photo to go in that big circle spot. And so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my photo layer in the layers palette down underneath the QuickPage layer. And you can see now the photo is peeking through. Now I'm going to use my move tool to place my photo just where I want it, and I'm gonna make this basically as small as I can so that I get as much of that photo in there as possible. Now I'm using my arrow key to just nudge it over and get my placement just right, and then hit enter or use the green arrow key or green checkmark key to save those changes or solidify those changes. I'm going to place my next photo, and I'm going to put this one in this rectangle spot in the top right. So I'm going to use my move tool again, or my transform tool, same thing, to resize this photo to just how I want it. I just want a little bit smaller. Alright, and again that green check mark to solidify those changes. Now you'll notice that the second photo I placed is overlapping the first photo, and I'm gonna want to get rid of that. And I find the easiest way is to use my eraser tool so that I can just carefully not go over that border so I don't delete more than I want to, but just delete the part of the photo that you don't want to be there because it's overlapping the other. Now I'm going to place my third photo and then use my move tool again to make it just the size I want. And then getting the green check mark to solidify the changes. And now my photo's overlapping the previous two photos I've placed, and I'm going to have to be really careful not to erase too much of the photo and I can show you what would happen, and then if I do that I can see more of the photo of the other photo that I don't want in there. So I'm just going to undo that and keep going. QuickPages are a really fast and easy way to add some more substance to your albums. It's also, if you're wanting to get a lot done, it's a good way to get a lot done fast because you don't have to do all the clustering or the photo layout that you would normally. So now my QuickPage is done. I can put it in my album like that. I can add a title, journaling, a date, whatever I want to it. I can just print it and then add that title or journaling handwritten. I can do whatever I want with it now. But it was really fast, and I hope you learned something today here at StorySaving. I'd love to hear your comments and see how you use this tutorial to help with your scrapbooking.